where she proved herself as a dynamic administrator, a loving mother, a person who takes a lot of risk and work hard for the institution, for the congregation, for any responsibility that is entrusted to her. So I really admire Sister Sandy, who also does always without any great pomp and show. She's appreciated how much she does. Congratulations, sister. And we have an young, charming, and smiling, very energetic young sister, loving sister, and her name also indicates that she is loving sister. What's her name? Sister Anbal, right? She's really a loving sister, Anbal. I'm happy that she's here to motivate you, to teach you, and her very smile itself is enough to make the children happy. And I'm sure the children are attracted to you and you are contributing maximum. And she's also a very talented person, very good dynamism is there in her. And a lot of capacity and talents are there. And now, this year, she's in a different field. She is contributing. That shows that she is capable of doing anything. And she's also a very good professional nurse and a teacher too. And she's happily doing together with the sisters and teachers here. Whenever I call her, she's ever ready to help and support the congregation, everybody, and the same way she's doing here too. Your smile itself is enough, sister, to attract everybody, to energize everybody. Congratulations. And you have Sister Tracy, although she's not here, she's also a loving and humble spiritual mother. She had been teaching here in this institution long back, and now she's here as a spiritual mother for all of you. I'm happy she supports you and encourages you always with her loving words, with her prayers, and with her prayerful presence here. Though she's not here, we can clap, she will hear your clap. And my dearest teachers, if they are doing well, if the management is able to do well, if the kids perform so well on the stage, it is your coordination, it is your hard work, it is your commitment, it is your sacrifice. It's easy to teach in Medical Secondary School, but it's not that easy to teach in primary school. This is a basic foundation where they get, I'm sure you are putting your heart and soul for your students. That is why you have a very smart students on the stage. If the students are smart, I'm sure the teachers are double smart. That is why they perform well. So I take this opportunity to appreciate all my beloved teachers who look so beautiful in your uniform, and I can see a smiling face on everybody without any fear, with a lot of love and belongingness to the institution. So I give you a smiling appreciation for all that you are doing for the institution. Hats off to you, and I salute to my beloved teachers. Good. And they rise so his energy, his enthusiasm, and his ability as a sports master. He came with the children, and he came back with a cup, a champion cup. He came, and I know he is doing well always here, and he has a lot of experience working here for the past many years. I'm happy, sir. Still you are here continuing. So blessings for the school that you are here for the past many years. And we have also office staff. And if you may remember, is smiling and standing there. And one more office clerk also, right? Malini, both of them. I didn't see her before, but I can see you a very smart and beautiful smile on the face. Very good. So they are always working behind the screen, right? And they are the one who indirectly help us for the improvement and development of the institution, who takes care of all of them. They are the one who pays the parents more than anybody. So I think that they are the one who comes early to the school and goes from here late to home. So my special congratulations to both of you for all that you are doing for us. Auntie Margaret, security watchman, டிரைவர்ஸ் கண்டக்டர்ஸ் அவங்க இருக்காங்க தெரியல. நம்ம எல்லாருமே லைன் லைட் இருக்கிறவங்க. ஆனா இங்க இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆட்சிமார்கள் அவங்க இந்த இடத்தையெல்லாம் தூய்மையா வைக்கிறதும் வாஷ்ரூம் எல்லாம் நல்லா நீட்டா கிளீன் பண்ணி எல்கேஜி யூகேஜி ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் சாப்பாடு கொடுத்து அவங்க வாங்கி எடுத்து அதெல்லாம் என்ன ரொம்ப